Hey guys, welcome on the call. I didn't plan on doing a session today because I'm busy by 3 p.m. New York, but I just saw a setup and I would like to take it. So feel free to come. Just give me a minute, guys. All right, guys, we will go long on the S&P 500. Two contracts, no more than 0.5% risk. I actually went in for three contracts, no issues. We will have a tight stop below this 1 minute order block. And I am just expecting this to just run towards these highs. So this is almost 1:3, 0.5% risks. Risk makes almost 1.5% profit. We can retrace lower after we open 3 p.m., but I personally do not want to see that. Otherwise, I would have waited. So I just want to see a nice, clean continuation to the upside. So this will be our area of partials. So will be TP1 for almost 1:1.8, where we will almost take 50% off, and then the rest we can leave towards here. Just wanted to speed up above this fair value gap. Just close above. We can still see some retracement, but I do not want to see that. So morning session, yeah, we took some highs. There are equal lows, but why I'm longing this because we have a SMT with NQ. NQ has taken the low for 25th June. While ES has not. So you can still go long over here, aiming for a 1:1.8 for first TP and 1:3 for full target. So, guys, I just went straight into a trade today without going through any market outlooks because I just really like this trade. Did not want to uh, do a session today because I was busy, but because I found the setup really nice, I just had to just quickly come on and call it out. So maybe a lot of people did not come on the session, but I can see a few individuals here. Just keep going up. There is a possibility that we maybe come here and give an entry, but I personally do not want to see this. Now, some people might ask, why do you not want to see this fill? Although there is a chance it can fill, but I just want this to act as breakaway, and there are reasons behind it. Just want like a clean candle upside because this we are in a key area. We can retrace from here as well, but personally I do not want to see that, hence why I am going long. Yesterday was um really annoying, guys. Yeah, we went short over here, and just because of bad stop placement and rushing into just reducing risk, if we just held, it would have smashed through our full TP. So, but that was a lesson for me. Not my That's what happens when you micromanage your trades. So that was an error from my end. We shorted really nicely here and hit TP1. Price was a bit, choppy, but still it wasn't the worst delivery. $100 risk almost makes 200 to 300 plus. We'll change this to ticks. Yeah, there is this volume imbalance that just got made. Want it act Want to act it as like a bullish support. Still in that 2 minute bearish fair value gap. Have not closed above. Just want to see it close above. risking almost 27 ticks for full 90 ticks. We continue to slow down at this area. Personally, want us to speed up. So just gonna wait. Personally, I do not want to see any retracement. Honestly, just wanted to just speed up now. It's a 4 minute volume imbalance. Right, and I think that's the yeah. I would not personally want this to retrace over here. And I have my reasons for it, but I think waiting for the price to come here is not a better. It's not good for bullish trades, honestly. That's how I perceive the markets. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Something was wrong with my internet. Hopefully, you guys can see my screen now. If you can hear me, let me know. Welcome on the session, Saad. Thank you for coming. Do not want this 1 minute to close bearish. We have this 15-minute bullish for our support as well. So lining up the inversion as well. This one is cool. Just wanted to speed up from here. No more retracement than this. If you retrace more than these lows, it will drastically reduce our odds. So just tap 15-minute bullish fair value gap. You can still enter if you want to enter now, and if you have not entered, right now would be a great time to enter. But risk only like 0.25% if you enter now. But the risk to reward will be much better. If I see like a bullish fair value gap formation, I'm going to add to my entries. Yeah, very nice reaction. Just wanted to close and create this fair value gap. It cannot come back now. Yeah, nice reaction for now. Just wanted to close, and the next candle should not immediately rebalance this current candle, no more than 25%, and create a bullish fair value gap. So we have closed bullish. Do not want this to, honestly, not even immediately rebalance this. Now it has immediately rebalanced just this much. Do not want it to. I wanted to create some sort of a fair value gap, which is, yeah, it is immediately rebalanced. So the fact the fair value gap did not form is just reduces probability. Bro, come on. It's really frustrating, you know, but just respect. Was a bearish fair value gap. Whoa, we came really close to our stop. I do not want this to give much room, honestly. Like, this. We are in a volume imbalance. 3 minute. Yeah, guys, we got stopped out. So frustrating. I will wait if we get another confirmation. Why, brother? Why? We're gonna go towards the lows then. Hey, yeah, I'm just gonna come over. Guys, if this closes below, I will look to short. There will be the final trade. Yeah, I'm gonna short this, guys. 0.5%. We're gonna try again. I sold just above this. Firstly, we'll have a tighter stop just above this fair value gap. So this makes it almost 1:2. You enter now. Yeah, almost 1:2. Yeah, we will reduce our risk. So if you enter now, you get a better risk reward. So almost 1:3 now. Yeah, I wanted to long honestly, but just this retracement, I think maybe we do take these lows. Guys, I will reduce my risk even more because we've already had a loss. Because we tapped, I will, yeah. So if you risk 0.5%, initially it was almost 30, I don't know how many ticks it was, but shouldn't been more than now 0.1% risk. Yeah, I will go break even, guys. Quick 5 handles, 6 handles. If you risk 0.5%, you should be now in 0.5% profit, almost, if not more. And that if you took the last trade, that covers your loss as well. So most of you did not take that last trade because not a lot of people were on the session. But the people who just took this trade, you're in luck because we are now almost break even. This should just honestly hit TP now. That's why people who say, "Oh, I'm going to buy this bullish fair value gap," even if the order flow is bullish, and I am bullish, but I wouldn't want to buy this honestly. Even if it goes up from here, still like I wouldn't trade this PA. So after reduced risk, almost 1:4, if you manage to enter. Initially, this is 1:2 plus. So should if we win this trade, it will cover today's loss and for sure yesterday's loss. So bringing us back in profit. 5 minutes looks good. We're almost 6 handles in profit. If you want, you can take partials, but I will wait for the full target personally. Nice delivery. Let's wait for this now, guys. Feel free to, you can take partials over here, but I expect this to hit full TP. Looks good. Yeah, now if when I see this displacement, We can actually, this narrative, I think we talked about it last week. 4 hour. Yeah, we can honestly retrace all the way here before going up because we've taken like major buy side. So we can honestly, so screenshot this as well. This is in play. Just hide my executions. Right. Yeah, we are about to hit full TP. 2 ticks. I will personally leave a runner going because I think this can just can't continue going lower. Yeah. So you can leave runners if you have more than 3 contracts. You can leave runners, but just for this live, we will take our profits and mitigate our losses for the week. Has been a very nice delivery. This is the delivery that you should expect once you're entering a trade, not the this delivery that we took for buys. And immediately, that's the thing, guys. That's called adapting. I had a bullish bias. It did not respect my bullish bias. I adapted. So just please give me full TP. Let's look at NAS. Do not want the 5 minute to just go bullish now. So we will protect almost 50% of our entry. I want this to act as breakaway now. Yeah, we're gonna protect more partials. $41 ticks in profit. Guys, feel free to take one position off here. Yeah. So I took one position off here. It's 5 minute created another FVG. Just full TP about to smash. Make sure you can actually close 70-80% of your positions here for 1:2 plus at least. see how it respected our stop and profit as well, but just want this to just hit TP now. If it takes us out, it's going to be really annoying. That's why I took one position off, 50% off. Yeah, guys, we got stopped out in profit. So should be a quick 1:1.5 plus at least. I personally expect this can go slower, but yeah, I think good session for the day. Thank you so much for hopping on, guys. Hope you guys this win should actually, if you entered right about here, because some people just messaged me, they entered and they got 1:3 full setup. So if you risk 0.5%, you easily made 1.5%. If you lost 0.5% today, lost 0.5% yesterday, you should still be in 0.5% profit. If not, you should at least be break even right now. But I will calculate the exact results, and even BTC hit our TP. So, these high resistance pairs. Why is this? Oh my god, my TPs were on. Lord. But this is a paper trading account. We shorted here and then I went to break even, but it just took our stop. And this is the problem with trading high resistance. You can just expect them to, do all of this. But our narrative was correct. Alhamdulillah. Execution could have been better. But this is the thing with, trading high resistance pairs is you can expect this. So, but at least our narrative was right. Some students were still able to profit from this analysis, and that's why we recommend you come learn with us as well. Come get educated, go learn about ICT, have your own independent perception about the markets. So you because 100% of our times, 95%, alhamdulillah, our narratives are always correct. I was personally in shorts from like 109k, but we call this in the group. Some people got break even because they got higher entries. Some people got stopped at reduced rates. Some people actually took profit here. So just the lowest threshold target, a few hundred pips. So yeah, this was a good trade. If it did not hit our SL, it would be so beautiful, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for hopping on. I will see you guys tomorrow, inshallah. And good session for now.